She had the hiccups. I was gonna get her hiccups.
Big stretch.
Oh, look at those feet go. Look at those feet.
He's just trying to stand up.
I know. She's gonna be a hurdler like her mother. Like her grandmother, not her mother. Her mother would just trip over hurdles. Look at those feet kick.
Oh, there's Echo.
Oh, there she is. Oh.
Yep, there.
Aren't those the cutest little hiccups?